children. Good morning to you all. Children, in our last class, we have learnt even and odd numbers and their properties also. Now let us move to our next topic. Before getting into the topic, let me ask you some questions. Children, see here I wrote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Children, do you know what are these? Yes, these are numbers. Now, children, can you tell me what are these? Have you seen these symbols anywhere? Have you seen these symbols anywhere? Yes, you will see these symbols on your out of the class. To mention the class name or section name, you will be writing these symbols, right? And you will also find these symbols in watches, clocks and etc. And you will be saying them. You say these as Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, etc. So, we already using these numbers. If you go out of the class and you can see, if you will see, you will find the class number 1 on class 1. It will be written like this, yes or no? And you will read it as 1, Roman number 1. So, we are already using the word Roman numeral. So, come on children, as we know this, let us learn more about this Roman numerals today. So, today our topic is Roman numerals or Roman numbers. What is our topic today? Roman numeral. Children, now we are able to write the numbers endlessly. That means we can write the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We can write millions of numbers. So we can write so many numbers we can write. But in olden days, the people does not know these numbers. So in very olden days, like early humans used to draw some symbols to count. For example, actually they used to have some pet animals or domestic animals like cow, goat, buffalo, sheep and so on. To have a count, they used to draw some special symbols. But later on they understood that it is not possible to count if it is bigger number. So later on they started inventing some special symbols for numbers. Like the Romans have invented a number system by using only 7 symbols. How many symbols, children? 7. 7 symbols they invented a number system. Those 7 symbols only nowadays we are using to write Roman numerals. So, the number system in which by using only 7 symbols, they can write many numbers. These are called Roman numbers. By using the 7 symbols, they can write many numbers. So, come on, let us learn what are those 7 symbols first. Those 7 symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. By using these 7 symbols, they can write many numbers. So what are these symbols? First, show 5. X is for 10. L is for 50. C is for 100. D is for 500. And M is for 1000. If you will learn these 7 symbols, you can write many numbers in Roman numerals using these 7 symbols. Okay. See children, we can write many numbers using these 7 symbols, but you cannot write these as your wish. There are some rules to write Roman numbers using these 7 symbols. There are certain rules, but here we are learning only very 2 important rules now. So what are the rules? The first rule is no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. What is the first rule, children? What is the first rule? No symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. What is the first rule, children? No symbol is repeated. No symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. What does this mean? That means we should not use any of these symbols more than 3 times. For example, if we will write 1. So in Roman numbers this is 1. Then 2. 1 plus 1. That means 2 eyes. 2. And 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 eye is for 1 and 2 eyes to write 2 and 3 eyes to write 3. So can we write 4 eyes to write 4 children? No. We cannot use 4 eyes to write number 4 because that is the rule which we have learned. No symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. We have to, in our previous number, what is the previous number children before? 3. Here we have used I 3 times. So here 3 eyes are used. So we cannot use 4 eyes here. And how to write this we will learn later. Now the first rule is no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. Now what is the second rule? Is the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. What is the second rule children? Here it is wrong. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Let's take any of the example. See children here V. You will take V. You will write V. What is V means? 5. That means 5 plus 5 is 10. But we have a special symbol for 10. What is the special symbol? X. So X means 10. So as already we have a symbol for 10, we should not write VV. Right? In the same way, if you will take L and if you repeat L twice, L, that means what is L? It is for 50 and again L is for 50. So what is 50 plus 50? Is 100. But we have a special symbol for 100 which is C. So C is for 100. So we should not write LL. The same way, if you will take D. What is D means? 500. If you write 2 D's, double D, then what it means? 500 plus 500, that is 1000. But actually we have a special symbol for 1000 also. What is the special symbol for 1000? That is M. What is the special symbol for 1000? M. If we repeat these symbols, we will get the number which have the special symbol. So, these three symbols are never repeated. We should not repeat these three symbols. Okay. Now, let us learn how to write numbers. In this class, you will learn to write numbers up to 39. Now, we will learn writing numbers up to 1 to 39 in this class. Come on children, let us learn how to write the numbers. We can write these symbols, these 7 symbols here children. I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C 100, D 500 and M is for 1000. Okay. Now, come on, write the numbers. See here, I will write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, excuse me, 9 and 10. So, how we will write? See here, 1. What is the symbol for 1 here? I. So, I is for 1. And 2. Write 2 I's. And for 3, write 3 I's. And 4. What is for 4? Can we write like this 4 I's for 4 children? No, we cannot write 4 I's because we have learned in rule 1 that no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. So, it is wrong. So, how we will write the number 4? To write number 4, we will take the help of next symbol. So, what is the next symbol after I? It is V. And V is for 5. But actually we have to write number 4. Then, how to write? Just less 1 from 5. That is, write V and to the left of V you have to write I. That is IV. Children see, till here we are adding the numbers. When we are adding in Roman numerals, you have to write the number right hand side. See, 1. To the right of 1, we wrote one more I. That means 2. And we have added another I to the right of 2. That is 3. But here what we are doing? We are subtracting 1 from 5 to get 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So when you are subtracting, you should not write to the right side. You have to write the left hand side. So you have to write I to the left of V. That is 5 minus 1, 4. Now anyways, we have one more symbol for V, 5. That is V. Now 6. 6 means 5 plus 1. So which side you have to write? Right hand side. V, I. V, I. That is 6. And 7, V, double I. 5 plus 2. And coming to 9. Can we write V and 4 eyes? Can we write like this? No, we should not write 4 eyes because we know that no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. So we should not write. Now what we have to do to write 9? Again you have to take the help of next symbol. What is the next symbol after ING? It is X. And here what is X is for 10. But we need 9. So what you have to do? Subtract. You less 1 from 10. That means 10 minus 1. Right. So write X, which is for 10, and to the left of X you have to write I. Okay children, that is IX, which denotes 9. So this is the correct way to write 9. And 10, already we have a special symbol for 10, which is X. So in this way we will write the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. Children, if you learn how to write these symbols, you can write the other numbers very easily. See, what is after 10? That is what is after number of 10, that is 11. What you have to do? 10 plus 1, 11 means. Like that, 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4 and so on. So, up to 20, let me write the numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Right, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3 and so on. So, what you have to do? Before these 1 to 10 numbers, if you add the symbol 10, what is the symbol for 10? X. So, if you add X before these 1 to 10 symbols, you will write 20 numbers. You can write 20 numbers. Come on, let us write. What is X, I, 11. X, double I, 12. X, triple I, 13. And what is the symbol for 4? I, V. So add X before. X, I, V, 14. X, V, 15. And we already know these numbers, right? 16 and XV double I, 17. XV triple I, which is for 18 and 19. What is the symbol for 9? IX. So X, I, X. 19 and again X for 20. In the same way, if you, what is the symbol for 20 children here? Double X, right? And if you will write this 20, that is double X, before these 1 to 10 symbols again, you can write the symbols, you can write the numbers up to 30. Come on children, let us write 30 numbers. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Come on children, let us write. To write the numbers up to 30, what you have to do? Only this symbol will repeat. What is the symbol for 20? Double X. So write this 20 before all these 1 to 10 symbols. Then you will write, you can get the numbers up to 30. So write 20 symbol double X. And what is the symbol for 1? I. 21. Again double X and 2. Double I. And again 20. Double X and triple I. 3. 23. And again double X for 20 and IV 4. 24. Double X and we have a special symbol for 5, which is V. So 25 and 26 double X V I. Right. Already we know these numbers. Just you have to add this 20 before these 1 to 10 symbols. You will get the numbers. 27 double X V double I. Again 20 double X V triple I. 29. What is the symbol for 9? IX. So write 20 double X and IX. 29. And what is for 30 children? Triple X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Already we have 20 double X and add one more X. Then it will become 30. And if you will write 1 to 9 symbols before, if you write 30 before these 1 to 9 symbols, you will get the numbers till 39. Come on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, children, see. What is 31? 30 plus 1. Right? 30 plus 1 is 31. What is the symbol for 30? Triple X. Right? So, write triple X plus 1. I. 31. In the same way for 32, 33 for all, you have to add triple X before the 1 to 9 numbers. So, triple X double I 32. Triple X triple I 33. Triple X and for 4 IV. Right? 34. Triple X and V is for 5. So 35. Triple X and V I, that is for 36. Triple X and 7. 37. Triple X and V triple I, which means 38. And triple X and IX, that is for 39. 30 plus 9. 39. Children, do you understand? Okay. And for 40, to write 40, what you have to do? You have to write 4x, right? So, can you write 4x? We should not repeat any number, right? We should not repeat any symbol for more than 3 times. So, it is not the way to write 40. Okay, children? How to write 40 and to write more numbers, we will learn in our next classes. You will learn in next classes. Okay, children? Learn these numbers very well. You have to learn these 7 symbols to write all those numbers. Do practice. And come on, let us meet again in our next class. Have a nice day, children. Bye.